Things are not looking good for Dogecoin right now, as well as absolutely dump all of their money out of Dogecoin. On top of that, this little bitty uptrend is already over, and what this tells me is we could be seeing some pretty dramatic drops in the market. Here's what I'm seeing. Before we get into it, I want to let you know our members have brand new access to this crypto future forecast video. This is going to be extremely important to watch. There is a 13-point pattern that is playing out currently, and the last time it played out, it shot the market up over 500% for Bitcoin. And I got to tell you, we're within the last couple of steps. So that is coming up soon. If you want to grab access, check out the membership links in the description down below. You'll also get access to a brand new trade setup. We're currently 16 wins, 0 losses with 5 trades pending. So if you want to join us, feel free to do that. Again, membership links in the description down below. With all that in mind, let's head to the tradeconfident.io website. We're going to scroll down to Dogecoin. And the first metric we're taking a look at is the Dogecoin emotional index. Now, despite getting a drop, we're seeing a move up on this metric through a neutral reading. We actually saw this earlier today on Ethereum as well. It's actually pretty rare that you'll see a downtrend with less anxiety in the market. The higher this metric is, the more likely we are to see a drop. So to see us in a neutral reading, honestly, it could tell us just a little bit of sideways movement is in order, but if not, this could tell us that we could be seeing a drop soon, especially if this rises up further. Next up, you're going to be wanting to check out the volatility breakout detector. Dogecoin is the only coin in our lineup right now that is in low volatility. This is because we've seen some basically sideways movement recently. However, after low volatility always comes an impulse move. So very soon here, we could be seeing a pretty strong move to either the upside or the downside. This metric won't really tell you which direction, but it will tell you how strong a move is about to be. And right now we're seeing a pretty big move incoming. Heading on now to the Dogecoin whale smart money metric. There's a tiny bit of long trade sentiment, but based on the fact that these little tiny movements are happening very quickly, it shows me that this is essentially a neutral reading for whales as well. While this measures sentiment, whale trader sentiment, we got to be checking out the live charts, and I'll show you that later in the video. Be sure to stay till the end because you're going to want to check out what whales are really doing right now. I also want to let you know there's a coupon for $450 off on those indicators right now. So again, stay till the end if you want to grab that. On now to the Dogecoin major support and resistance level. The only relevant structure resistance we're really seeing right now is 7.889 cents. We are not seeing a decent structure support that I would be watching anytime soon, although 6.253 cents could be where we're heading in a super drastic scenario. I don't expect that, and I'll show you my personal support and resistance targets on the live chart. So again, stay tuned for that. Heading on now to the Dogecoin long versus short trades. This is really interesting because we're seeing long trades diminish out of the market while short trades are increasing, and most often this will result in really sharp moves downwards, and that is exactly what we got. Since then, these levels have mostly leveled out, and that has resulted in sideways movement. However, I'm personally expecting some pretty big impulse moves coming soon, especially with this pretty big shelf right here that happened with short trades. Last but not least is the Dogecoin daily trade scanner. I'm seeing some pretty solid signals here. We got sell signals that resulted in moves down, buy signals that resulted in moves up. We got another sell right here, move down. We got a short squeeze that happened right here with a sell signal that pumped the price. Finally, a strong sell signal that has resulted in the continuous move down that we're in right now. So what I'm going to be looking for moving forward, especially if we get a drop, as I'll show you, I could be expecting coming soon, we will be looking for a buy signal to anticipate the next move back up. And that could be a really good point for an entry into Dogecoin. So if you are a Dogecoin trader, you're going to want to check out these metrics. If you want to get access to that future forecast video, let me pull that up here. That was posted this morning. We have 12 data points that say we'll blast through 2023's all-time high within about 2 weeks. We need to be watching this. We need to pay attention. On top of this, you can also get access to our trade setups. So if you want to check all that out, you can grab our membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link. Go ahead and click that. I would personally recommend the full access for $59 a month, as this includes all 20 coins worth of metrics on our website, the future forecast videos, members only content there, scalping trade calls, and many more benefits. Just click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Dogecoin on the 1-day time frame. Price versus while money flow has absolutely tanked to the lowest point that we've seen in a very long time, even since December of 2022. on this chart. Now, where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. And when coupled with a trend exhaustion, we're seeing divergence here, move up on trend exhaustion, move down on price versus whale money flow. The higher the trend exhaustion is, the more likely it is for the price to drop. So when we see a likelihood of the price dropping on top of whale money dropping out of the market, this almost guarantees to me an insane drop to the downside. If you look up here, even the traditional indicators that most retail traders use, the RSI, the stochastic, MACD, and 5100 and 200 moving averages are all extremely bearish for Dogecoin. This does not look good. On top of this, we have the FOMC meeting coming up tomorrow. We're going to get that new rate hike. We're expecting a 25 basis point interest rate hike coming up. However, if we get anything higher than that, this is most likely going to crash the market as a whole. And of course, this would very likely bring Dogecoin down with it. Currently, the main structure resistance I'm looking at is 8.195 cents. We rejected this just a couple of days ago over the weekend and have begun it moving down since. Having just touched structure resistance is yet another reason I'm looking for a move down. Now, I'm seeing some pretty strong structure support right here. We have multiple touches right here. We have touches back here, right here, and right here. All of this culminates to 7.94 cents. This is the next structure support that I'm looking for a move down in Dogecoin for. And I want to zoom in here a little bit to get a better idea, but from the current price, this is going to be a nearly 10%, a negative 9.49% drop in Dogecoin. Really what I'm seeing here is whales are just tanking the market, probably looking to take maybe a little bit of profit, drop the price before they can enter back in and push the price back up. So it's not like a death wish for Dogecoin. I'm not expecting any crazy destructive moves, but a move down to that 7.094 cents is what I'm personally expecting on Dogecoin. Now, if you're a Dogecoin trader, you need to be tracking the market, and these indicators are exactly, honestly, the only things that I use every single day to look for price moves in the market. Currently, they're on sale for $450 off right now on until May 12th. And in order to get access to that, all you got to do is click the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our spring sale indicator page. Currently, we have over 4,000 downloads and counting. In order to get the best possible deal, $450 off, you're going to want to pick up the indicator bundle pack first using code SPRING50 for $50 off. This will include the trend exhaustion price versus whale money flow and trend dashboard indicators, plus many more for you to use, and most importantly, a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. Purchasing all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators using these two codes will be cheaper than purchasing just the TC top and bottom finder alone, but if you want just the TC top and bottom finder, please use code SPRING300 for $300 off as well. No matter what you get, it's lifetime access for a one-time payment, and with over 1,200 downloads on the TC top and bottom finder, and 3,900 downloads on the indicator bundle pack, these indicators are crushing it. We hope to trade with you soon. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.